The rise of stealth warfare in the sky. Modern aerial combat is rapidly shifting toward unmanned and autonomous systems, and stealth drones are becoming a decisive factor in future wars. Among these next-generation platforms, one project stands out as a bold leap toward aerial dominance. Designed to penetrate heavily defended airspace, this unmanned combat system represents a new chapter in military aviation. Origins of an indigenous stealth drone. The project is being developed by DRDO as part of India's push for self-reliance in advanced defense technologies. The program aims to create a fully autonomous, stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of operating alongside manned fighter jets. It reflects a strategic shift toward high-risk missions being handled without putting pilots in danger. Stealth design and airframe. The drone features a flying wing configuration with smooth contours and internal weapon bays, minimizing radar cross-section. The absence of vertical stabilizers and the use of radar-absorbent materials enhance survivability against modern air defense systems. Its stealth shaping allows it to evade detection while conducting deep strike and surveillance missions inside hostile territory. Propulsion and performance. Powering the drone is a jet engine optimized for low observability and efficient subsonic cruise. The design focuses on long endurance, enabling extended loiter time over target areas. This makes it suitable for intelligence gathering, precision strikes, and suppression of enemy air defenses without the need for immediate support. Weapons and mission roles. The UCAV is expected to carry precision-guided munitions internally, including air-to-surface missiles and smart bombs. Its primary roles include deep strike missions, reconnaissance, electronic warfare support, and cooperative combat with future fighters such as the AMCA. Operating as a loyal wingman, it can multiply combat effectiveness while reducing pilot workload. Artificial int.